Turpin Brothers.
Nice, the Tully brothers.
Her. Is it chicks name met Skylo or so?
Tell Asha hello.
You got a nice voice, man. Yes, sis.
Boys, what the fuck?
That's kind of.
Yo, don't give me, bruh, don't give me a long sis. They're gonna knife me in jail, bruh. I sound too sexy. Yo, please, bruh. I don't wanna get knifed in my hole. Yo, I'm a war virgin, bruh. I don't wanna get knifed in my hole. Yo, please, bruh. I'm not ready for jail, bruh. They're gonna knife me in my push, bruh.
You done fucked your pants, bro.
And my bro, they took it off, bruh. These fucking mensen.
What did they want to see how long is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey.
nigga.
Yo, bruh, my bro Gamish is in the prison, bruh. They're
Okay.
gonna knife us.
Can you both hear me?
No,
Yeah,
Can you hear me both?
no.
maybe.
Ach, yeah, man. Yeah, so long you sit here, the longer you're gonna wait.
We can. How will we
No, bruh.
Hi there! If you like this video and you find it funny, come check it out live, man. Join the family. I'm live every day, at least 6 hours. See you there. Safe there.